First open your settings. Go to Video. In windowed mode select Full Screen. In resolution make sure you are using the resolution of your monitor. Now go to Graphics. Go to the Basic section. Disable Film Grain. Disable Chromatic Aberration. Disable Depth of Field. Disable Lens Flare. Disable Motion Blur. Texture quality select High or Medium. Set level of detail to medium or high. Enable Static Fidelity FX. In resolution scaling you can lower or raise the bar to see if that solves your problem. Now go back to your Start menu and search for your NVIDIA Control Panel. Open your NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Select Image Sharpening. Expand the context menu. Select On. Increase the sharpening to see if that resolves your issue. Now press Apply. Now your problem should be fixed.